Check out this 2013 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include traction control, driver airbag, passenger airbag, engine immobilizer, CD player, heated mirrors, front reading lamps, and power mirrors. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.